do something fun. We are at our good friend's cabin, and I'm gonna make some campfire potatoes to go with our steak tonight. So these are the things you're gonna need. You're gonna need potatoes, an aluminum pan. You could go ahead and put on the barbecue grill, or in this case, we're using the Blackstone. A can opener, a knife, spoon to kind of mix things together. We're gonna need green chilies and some diced jalapenos, an onion, and butter. So let's get started. First, we're gonna just drop some butter into the bottom of the pan. I'm thinking probably about 5 tablespoons-ish. Just spread it around. Doesn't have to be perfect. We are at the lake house and it's kind of like camping. I'm gonna slice up some potatoes and I'm just gonna cut them in half. And then make some, maybe between a little more than a 1/4 inch slices. Pour those on top of the butter. Make a nice layer. Alright, next we're going to add some salt and pepper, which I forgot to mention at the beginning. So I've got a layer of potatoes. Pepper it. Here comes the fun part. We're going to add some jalapeno and some green chili. If you don't like spice, you can do just green chili. And we're going to put some onion in there too. Okay, green chili first. Just sprinkle it across everything. Same with my jalapenos. And then I'm going to slice up some onion. Just half circles, so I'm going to cut it in half, give it a slice, to sprinkle those on top. And when you're going to have these. And just sprinkle these across everything. Try to get them even. Alright, and now some butter. And then we're just going to layer again, so back to, and again it's a repeat. top. I'm going to cut those bad spots off here. Mr. Cameraman, if you can come in and get a good look at this. And what I'll show you in a little bit is we will just set it right on the grill and let it cook. It cooks for about an hour to get everything soft. And we like crispy potatoes, so we will be crisping it up on the bottom and maybe flipping things so that they all can have an opportunity to be crispy. So I will see you back soon when we put it on the grill. Well, as fun trips have it, I forgot to record the potatoes cooking on the Blackstone. But here is a picture of the final product. They're delicious and have a little bit of a kick to it. And again, this is just a wonderful side dish that you can even throw over a campfire flame and enjoy. Very yummy, and it was a big hit at the lake this past weekend. Thank you for joining us here at Grace Ridge, and we would love it if you liked and subscribed to the channel. And thank you so much, and we'll catch you on the next video.